Welcome to Otari's Commerce and Finance Coaching. Good morning students and welcome here our next video, that is Bretton Woods system. Yes, Bretton Woods system is generally established or started just because of breakdown of gold standard system. Yes, the world monetary system was in very critical position. So the policymakers of US and UK and other ally initials with their process of restructuring the world monetary system, they have started after Second World War in July 1944 with 44 representatives of representative countries in their major economic meet at Bretton Woods town in Hampshire in US to finalize a new system of currency. Here the meeting is conducted in Bretton Woods, so it is known as a Bretton Woods Agreement. Generally, the currency valuation and new international financial architectures to be implemented, and during this conference generally two things are introduced, that is IMF and IBRD. Here I mentioned that under the Bretton Woods system, gold was the basis for the US dollar and other currencies were pegged. So the dollar value and the Bretton Woods system effectively came into the end and early in 1970s when President Richard M. Nixon announced that US would no longer exchange gold for US currency. So 44 countries are represented in met with Bretton Woods in 1944, and their main aim is creating foreign exchange system and preventing competition devaluation of currency. So Bretton Woods system has established two multilateral institutions, that is I mentioned IMF, International Monetary Fund, and IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. So these two banks are introduced in this establishment of Bretton Woods system. Right now we are known as IMF and IBRD, very well known. So IMF finalized fixed exchange rate system and also called as a Bretton Woods system, that is BWS. So dollar standard are introduced in same year, that is 1946. So in this Bretton Woods system there are some features are included. The first one is USD as a universal reserve asset. So USD status become universal reserve asset in introductory stage of Bretton Woods system. Even second one is there is always fixing value of gold in USD, means value of gold is always fixed in our dollars. So this was one of the feature of Bretton Woods system. Even there is a pegging and partly concept are introduced, means pegging means that is a reason. So no other country was required to value its currency in terms of gold. So the value of each currency was fixed against USD, and this concept of value one currency in terms of another is called a pegging, and if we multiple do this, it is called as a parity. So this will help to effective three-way relationship which should be created between gold, dollar and individual currency. So this mechanism is called as a per value mechanism. Here I mentioned information about Bretton Woods system where it took place and in-depth study. Let's start with our features of Bretton Woods system. As I mentioned before, that USD as a universal asset. So that USD was given the status of universal reserve asset in addition to gold. So it will help to many countries to could issue currency notes against a reverse basket of containing both gold and dollar. Second one is fixing a value of gold in USD, that I mentioned that the value of dollar was fixed in 1 ounce of gold equal to $35. So like 1 gram gold is equal to right now are 5,000 or 2,000, just like that 1 ounce of gold is for USD 35. Next one is pegging and parity. As I mentioned before, I explained it the point. Even par value mechanism, that means effectively three-way relationship between gold, USD and individual currency is known as a per value mechanism. Next point is central bank participation. Yes, central bank participation are expected in our Bretton Woods system because exchange rate were expected to be controlled within the variation zone. So this concept means the central banks proactively participate in domestic foreign exchange market by buying and selling of foreign currency. So it will influence our exchange rate. Means central bank have all authority of participating in our foreign exchange market. Next one is IMF assistance. Generally, IMF provided the undertaking to financial assistance all members and their interventions. Next point is international vehicle currency. International vehicle currency, dollar is always known as the international vehicle currency. It's came in for our filling the blanks and objective sections too. So officially dollar become an international reserve currency and vehicle currency. I miss one point here, that currency devaluation limit. In even structural imbalance in our country's BOP, the IMF undertook help to the members of devalue their currency same time. So the member countries may devalue the currency up to 10%, and that will IMF permission will be required. Means if any country want to devalue their currency at 10%, they have to take permission of IMF. The next point is the Nixon shock. Yes, this was our Bretton Woods system. The next one is the Nixon shock. Here I mentioned the history of Nixon shock, that Nixon shock is included here. As I mentioned that our President Robert Triffin, our Professor Robert Triffin in Belgium American economist argued that practically this would not possible to every country the serve both currency, national currency as well as domestic currency. So they need to reserve some currency of other countries. So it will create a conflict between interest of achieving economic objective of country and even which require huge reserve of home currency for meeting obligations of the country and serving an international currency, actually which is require unconditional supply of dollar reserve. Till date we have a reserve, every country have to reserve foreign currency for their international trading too. So the Nixon shock was series of economic measure which is undertaken by United States President Richard Nixon in 1971 in response to increased inflation, the most significant of which were wage and price freezes. So while Nixon action did not formally abolish the existing Bretton Woods system of international financial exchange, the suspension of one of its key components effectively rendered that our BWS system are inoperative. So this shock is generally made by our President Richard Nixon in 15 August 1971, the Nixon announced unilaterally without consulting the other member of IMF that dollar would not no longer convertible into gold. That was a shock for every country. So according to this, it was represented by Nixon, and this was a shock. So it's known as the Nixon shock. So because of this, every country the surcharge was dropped in 1971. Even the all attempts at reform proved unsuccessfully. In 1973, the BWS system was replaced by the facto the government regime based on freely floating fiat currency. So this was a shock that is presented by President Richard Nixon in 1973. So it is called as the Nixon shock. So why the reason why the Bretton Woods system is failure? The first one is the confidence problem. Means generally in 1950 so many European countries having BOP surpluses and USC was is running in deficit. So it will little bit create a confidence problem among them. The next one is adjustment problem. So from the long run point of view and series weakness, the BWS was the absence of an efficient balance of payment adjustment mechanism. So there is a BOP defects are created, and that principle of adjustment mechanism is generally change relative income. So there is create problem of adjustment. Next one is condition of inflation, and it is an important factor to cause and collapse of the Bretton Woods system, because domestic inflation in the United States, particularly after the Vietnam War in 1965, so both Johnson and Nixon administrations were unwilling to finance the war efforts by increasing their taxes. So conditions are unflexible, inflationary, so this should be impacted in our Bretton Woods system. The next one is the liquidity problem, that is a system of fixed or stable exchange rate could not work efficiently. So in 1950 and 1960, the US defect of BOP continue to increase and account overseas investment and escalations of Vietnam War. So should created a liquidity problem. Every investor should have a want to liquid their investment, but it's not possible. So the Bretton Woods system is one of the liquid problem is one of the reason of their failure of Bretton Woods system. Even there is a Triffin dilemma is included. The Triffin dilemma means a series which is inbuilt contradiction system was exposed by Triffin in 1960. So it is called as a Triffin dilemma, that is United States correct to defect created a liquidity shortage. Next one is problem of cemeteries. This is a general problem, so which create a defect and surplus countries between USA and other rest of world. So it should have a one of the reason for failure of our Bretton Woods system. Thank you students. I hope you understand Bretton Woods system very well. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.